Trend and Thomas are pleased to offer for sale this well-appointed detached property with 5 double bedrooms situated in a premier location, minutes from Rickmansworth town centre. The spacious dual-aspect living room has a feature fireplace and patio doors leading to the rear garden. And the dining room has a similar aspect and plenty of space for entertaining at home. Fitted with like-limed, solid oak wall and base cabinets, the breakfast kitchen has integrated appliances, a built-in double oven and hob, and a breakfast bar. There are 5 double bedrooms arranged over 2 upper floors, some of which have built-in wardrobes. And first floor bedroom 1 has an ensuite bathroom. And bedroom 5 on the second floor has an ensuite shower room. Fully tiled, the family bathroom has a wood-panelled bath with a Victorian-style mixer tap and wall-mounted shower attachment. The south-facing garden is secluded and sunny, and with a garage to the front and ample driveway parking, viewing of this impressive family property is highly recommended.